Hello my friends, welcome back. Here I am in a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's come with a VA, 5.3 VA and 8-speed automatic transmission, 4x4. And this car has been lifted, like heavy lifted, with bigger wheel, bigger tires, and a lot taller than stock one. So they're looking good. This is the Z71 package. It's come with the 4x4 system, come with the audio, like I would say premium audio system. Also come with the navigation, backup camera, parking assist. Got a backup camera, decent camera, not the best one, but it's okay. It does the work. It got lane keep assist, parking assist, and downhill braking assist, I think. Yeah, I got the auto AC system. Acceleration is good because it has a VA. And even though it's lifted, but it's very comfortable, comfort to drive, and it's taking bumps very well. So I mean the suspension is well done. It's a little noisy there, but it expected because it's a bigger wheel, bigger tire. I like these, you know, the gauge cluster on these trucks because very simple. It's like got your RPM gauge, your speedometer gauge, and all the battery, temperature gauge, fuel gauge, and oil pressure gauge. So it's right there. It's so easy to get to sneaky peek at it to see like if the car is function well, if there's any issue that need to like pay attention to. So I like it. It's a very nice setup that Chevy has, and it has been like that, so it's just pretty unique. So here we are, a beautiful 2018 Chevy Silverado 4x4 Z71. Check out that beautiful wheel and lift kit. See it lifted? I was saying like 5-6 inches up, huh? It's got leather seat in the back here, a lot of rooms for your family or your friends. And welcome to the driver's seat. I mean, it's so cool that with these lifted truck, you can see the view you can see is like miles away. Look at that, it's like far away that you can see and like see what's going on in the front. And actually it's easy to drive too. Now people would think that with these bigger trucks, they saw, you know, it look big, but it's not that hard to drive, guy. It's very fun to drive and very joyful to drive one of these. So if you got a chance, you gotta try it out. If you have a friend or someone that got a truck, you gotta tell them, hey, let me drive it. I wanna see like how does it feel, and I'll bet you'll like it. And you end up you want to get one. Very nice acceleration. Love that. Love that. Good braking too. Ooh, yes. Now we got the heated seat here for you to warm you up in the winter time. On a hot day, we get the cooler seat also. Seat cooler for passenger and for driver. So that's amazing. Good job, Chevy. And of course, that navigation gonna save you so much if you go out to some place that you've never been to before. It'll show you the road where to get to, and you won't get lost. And the radio system, wonderful. Come with Bose, like premium sound system Bose, so keep you entertained on the way. So yes, it was a good truck. I like it. Please leave in the comments what do you think about these lifted truck, these Silverado. And thank you for coming with me. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Well, can we go now? Okay, see you guys next time.